In the old days, information systems were pretty simple. Data and programming logic would be combined in one system. Usually this was a mainframe or single server responsible for handling all the workloads associated with that application. When the workload increased, the usual solution was to scale up by acquiring more hardware or by increasing the power of what's already there. But today's workloads are much more demanding, so scaling up becomes harder to do. But there is an alternative to scaling up, and that is scaling out. Cloud computing means delivering IT services in a scale-out way, using intranet or internet technologies. A public cloud is accessible to anyone on a pay-as-you-go basis. It is scalable and fully managed by a service provider. A private cloud is deployed and controlled by an internal IT service provider, like the IT department of a business. A multi-cloud is a mixture of public and private, with some cloud IT services deployed and managed internally, while other cloud services are supplied by an external provider. But what if the different clouds need to work well together? Then you are looking for a hybrid cloud solution, which provides workload portability, integration, orchestration, and unified management, a complete and flexible solution. At Red Hat, open source is the foundation of an open hybrid cloud that bridges software-defined data center and cloud-native workload components. The Open Hybrid Cloud is interoperable, built on open standards, and draws from and is part of a community of open innovation. Modern IT providers deploy cloud technologies to offer their IT services to their own internal consumers or to external consumers. There are 4 forms of IT services that use different configurations of the cloud. The distinctions between them are a little like the differences between food production and consumption models. The application, the deliverable, is food. How you wind up with that food depends on what kind of business you are in. If you eat at your desk, you have an on-premise IT service. If you buy food at a restaurant, another provider is providing all of the infrastructure and support. You just show up and pay. This is software as a service. If you go to the grocery store, buy ingredients, and return home to cook your meal, you are taking on more of the responsibilities. This is platform as a service. And if you lease land so you can grow your own food, everything is yours to maintain. This is infrastructure as a service. At Red Hat, an open hybrid cloud infrastructure is based on a combination of private cloud resources, other on-premise compute resources, and one or more public cloud providers. All this is built around interoperability and open standards. When your customers partner with Red Hat, they choose new ways to consume cloud solutions. You can help them choose Red Hat as their trusted cloud partner.